Welcome back! Today we explore the most valuable and rare coins in today's market. And today's story might change the way you look at every coin in your pocket. Because today we're focusing on just two coins, two ordinary-looking coins that have turned into extraordinary treasures. And the shocking part is, both have been found by everyday people. Not collectors, not experts, just regular people who decided to take a closer look. The first coin is small, copper, and looks like any other penny. But this is not just any penny. This is the 1943 copper penny, one of the rarest and most valuable coins ever created in the United States. In 1943, during World War II, the U.S. Mint stopped using copper for pennies because copper was needed for war supplies. They made pennies out of steel instead, Now the second coin is just as exciting, but in a completely different way. This time, it's a quarter, something you might use every day without thinking. But this is a 2004 Wisconsin state quarter with one tiny detail that makes it incredibly valuable: an extra leaf on the corn design. It's a mint error, something that was never supposed to happen, and because of that small mistake, this coin has sold for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Most people don't look closely at their coins. They don't check for tiny details or mistakes. That's why these coins go unnoticed. But the people who do look, who take the time to examine their change, are the ones who find hidden treasures. Imagine pulling a quarter from your pocket and discovering it could be worth $1,000 or more. That's the power of coin collecting. It's not luck, it's knowledge. So before you spend your next coin, before you ignore that old penny, take a second look. Check the date, inspect the details, and see if you're holding a hidden treasure. That one coin, the one you almost overlooked, could be worth more than you ever imagined.